turaika lakini ndende bya muna soko ngaligani
lakini lero kwa nyori opportunity yo wika
Devon
tunasema karibu sana.
Asante sana
naboko tabyo manchu murigereria nabiko manchu mutegereria risiko galia because of their interest egere bakomanye ekero to guchaka ngambo ya Getembe
bya muna Ruth.
Yes
njasa marieta ogura eri declive nyanga jeno mo kitutu ya Masaba ntuma na kitutu ere ya ruguru ya Mate ya kitutu chache lakini nchenkuru wa kitutu Masaba constituency ward ya Nere Kemera nguru Manga sub county nguru wa Sekenyoro ikoro kwa Mukorongozi jeno mwana biashara na endo mwana siasa ubwate eganga yukuri ekero kyo bujumbe wa kitutu Masaba.
Yes
ase ubochori bukari 2027
yes
oinere nje ndabona biamon
karibu sana mwishi ekero to guchaka kurwa siasa anene kurwa sense ya Kenya. Do you support the government, the current national government?
Ase amangana siasa inche tindi ko support serikali ya bona iga.
Okay
Igonde ase echama kose an affiliation.
Okay
Ego support yo moske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. You know in politics we affiliate osoligie chama okorega asinero kona chakete siasa yane.
Yes
na gonya ukwana n'abantu bane bakitutu Masaba nandi nabo abantu nabo gotegerera bagotebinga nkiyotakire gukora nagambite n'abantu bane babuge tutu bari babwate imani na inche.
Yes
bari bamanyete nga 2027 gochi mutu ninjo mujumbo obo bagantebinga eru tutagetogende neyo go support omwana ito mugusi oito.
Yes.
Our leader Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Yes
Igo bono nche from the onset nchende ase echama ya Jubilee ne chama ye korau ne party leader ekoro Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Right. In as much as you tari support your government, can you tell him mwananchi nga serikali yako lero mwananchi mirimo?
Serikali okuye rate kolengana n'ibintu biri yakwanita ase manifesto n'ibintu yanyalire gukora.
Yes.
Igo uno muntu ore mwana siasa na ndo tembire kuri ibintu yakorire abiri yakwanite. It has done so badly.
Okay. That's according to you from where you are seated.
From where I'm seated na ndo maite bono nchengo kwa na mwana buno muntu kuri kitutu Masaba. Na bula nyole serikali yakorire ga siasa ngao.
Okay.
Lakini I represent ama I speak on behalf of the people of kitutu Masaba. Bali ntagete ko represent chakira 2027 guchimutu. Na bera abe serikali yakorire ga somewhere else. I am not aware.
Okay.
Because my focus igera sekitutu Masaba.
Right.
To sekitutu Masaba we have not benefited. Kurwa soburai wora bono iga. Omuske Ruto.
Right. Tukwira ne county ya Nyamira. Umweshimiwa Nyarimo. Okolera abanyamira bonse in general mirimo.
Ndali bono tsako mubuli bone go makresi mina bara gwateta maiti kitutu Masaba bya. Igorende jetima nyetinga yawo colleagues. Timanyeti na kyakora Nyamira yae. Timanyeti na kyakora e county ya Sengencho. Omaite county karoko buri obo governor okore manya litangani.
Yes.
Constituency lengambwate. Kwa manya no what constituency inye. Onye no mugavana Kisi omanya na bwate cha 9.
Okay.
Yo Nyamira igabate cha inye. So karoko bage bintu bye constituency bye county eyo bikobi bage as chi constituency chiri okora inye. Nje koruna na chagete siasa. Ose koruna na berire kunya kutara kitutu Masaba.
Yes.
Jeno nya ko romo skinya libo na murore kabere ase miaka enebono. Igo timanyite sawa colleagues.
Uranyoro mbere mu yako yakora kuri abista gota.
To kunyara okora mbere mu yoko bo governor kuri abisi. Wikotara abantu bari babakete chikura ukwane na borobu bagote ibintu batagete.
Right.
Because egasi yo governor it is implementation of government projects. egazi yo mu MCA no ko oversight ne okorosia machiko ne ko represent abantu bona mbanto ke governor era atome osina kiara akora amanya ebintu bitakira korukemera osemanga osegesima oserigoma osekachuba he must come himself, look at the people, talk to them amanya nki abantu abatakite ngenya kubakolera. He has ran the budget irenga 2022 2023 2024 2025 ngo chakere bono 2025 actually aerire bono to chaka 2026 2027 ngati ngati one budget tanya gocha kitutu masaba amanye abantu bakemerere nto batakite in my neighborhood asenkuru ni school a polytechnic ya chagete kuri yombati ya chagete the last regime bakabeke bintu ime yanya gutwara barimo yanya gutwara bintu bikeyo yakuri myakene isikire onye ndi ashitemo ko yombati agachakora nkigenderede tanga abantu bamutebiri ngaki it requires about 2-3 million to start up this project.
Right, asante sana. Togo ikaweka ase bunge yao ya Kitutu Masaba soko boli kirogokoro. Kuna maendeleo?
Kitutu Masaba it's a disaster.
Why do you call it a disaster?
Magendero magendero ya constituency iga kurukuru as a national government. Nando ni wantegera from the onset natebanga tubuna abantu bakitutu Masaba abantu ra benefit from the government.
Right.
And ekato korobo choli etogo chora omu MCA twachora omu jumbe twachora omu women rep twachora omu governor twachora omu senator finally twachora president.
Right.
Na kirobo choli obu kiro muntu okwewigas nabwate chi responsibilities chai omujumbe igayire gasi okorosia machiko yoko represent abantu bali bamochorete then yoko oversight the national government, that is the president.
Right.
Kitutu Masaba woni geturigirire tiange myakene ebintu twaroriro ne chichu ibiras chipara chemaram lakini yoko genda chi constituency chinde abantu bakitutu Masaba ngwakana bali bango n'abantu bande bagwakana kwanyora kirami nchiro amacha abekiru abantu abekiru estima abana mbagendereta konyora emirimo kigasi kigenderete gutuka but Kitutu Masaba no tuligali tokunya korobo project obokoboke gwecho ibirasi ama ebintu bike meaning turanyara go benefit usenturanyara okorwa igasi puna tuaganiti katwara okorobo choli witu wa mwaka 2022 elections.
Right. Mheshimiwa Totebe Boniga, people ose abananchi ba Kitutu Masaba, they want to trust you. Bako emirimo yokobo majumba abochiko ba represent. What do you feeling baiseko kwali bagora chencha sebonge you? What is this that is so different ora chikokorera abananchi abaika ekyo the city MP Boniga tarakora?
Inchoma teno mwana ose ama young man okinirete asobotaka.
Okay.
So ekero egente getanganya kero nyasangire libagabuno murai ngoli ebolingo mwana uli mutaka nakinera okora kinabe bunanche mechanism kingo beka in place egere nyara kumurusia se ali anyara ko soma buya anyara ko chakokonya e family yabo ne community ya sakuru so egente getangani nokora change a bursary policy the constituency wana natoko kwa na igo mwana igakonyora we secondary yakonywa shiringi kiri bisatu abana be college ne university shiringi kiri bisano na abana aba eba no mutaka eba ni ntakana eba ni gwato mibulyo yomo gwata be buli bonse eba yo mwana tato mino no mwalimu amo mino no munyagitari use target bese echo kugicha wa apply oko chibese chibwekaine.
Right.
And the policy eko govern a bursary. A bursary is a support given to the needy. Not all applicants are needy.
Abande ba apply go joyride.
Abande ba apply asengencho that money is there. Lakini bino mujumbe within the policies chirichiko govern a bursary wikota keriko beka abantu bakunyara go vet nga ngo qualify konyora shiringi chiri bwikomi ngo qualify wakando school fees yonse ngo qualify usengo kuba disqualified That is the first thing I must do as abantu bana bakitutu masaba.
Right.
Egento kende gya kabiri abana abange bechi family chirensa muno ebako kenda chi day school. Inchengo beke policy in place ngo mwana ndibwenza ko kende day school yongo mwaka day school fees yonse makumugima. It is doable, it's possible. It is about putting your priorities right.
Right.
Umanyanga abana bane mbale ngambo ate bali chi day school lakini ngokora collaborations nechi school chiri gali pakambe ka abana bonsi banyara koraki banyara ko gende school batari wakane school fees. Think talinga nchengo chabo motangi ko chako legente ya koruchi constituency chinde ande byanyare kanire gotini ko chako bamogeni muntu atebela gentinge kunyare kana. It's doable, it's possible.
Right.
Gendo kendi kya gatatu noko make sure nga twaligirya abana baito emirimo ebano kwa bakonire basero school kwa bakanire basari bakoroji university nakibaka kwa banyore emirimo nabo muntu aratebe. That is not the work of a member of parliament. Lakini remember umujumbe nero ochorire akore what you call representation yokunyara go tap into the national government, tap into other parastatals, tap into other institutions ibinyara konya abana bali bakoroji school banyara kubarigire ibintu iga banyara kwaki banyore or sort the issue of employment.
Okay.
If you don't sort out employment no kunzime go chakera no wibo go chakera no boke bago go chakera nege kunyara kana ngari tukuni no taka ko banganga tigamba nge nyora abana gose abana 200 bachukuru wa nyumuntu ibago tukase ngenjo babu atigase bakora yebono.
Right. Mheshimiwa
bindi bingi na nyara ku listed egari tunyara kora ke tunyara go change ya a constituency yetu ebe a better place gose ebe a desired constituency gose a place abantu bakunyara komenya bari proud inga ntobwata umurai kunyara guturigireri umaite ibintu tagete matakwa yetu na yatekeleza.
Speaking of gunism, maramange twarorire emesangirekane mengi ke guturubanirwa ya siasa none chikanisa generally emesangirekane yonse twarorire ke guturubanirwa sana wetera gunism. Mheshimiwa yaba sambalenga kwa wekirense mubago chako bakonya se sector ya gunism.
Njitimbu ati guns again.
Do you intend to have some?
Umaite if the government does not do their work abana inchi ngo chakabari kwerinda tinda ikeragabu, but I want to tell you the trend continues like this then ngwekerera abana inchi ago chaka kwerinda. We are urging the government, we are urging the people that are responsible to offer security banyare ku team amangana ya chakira gunism. Lakini nyuma rende tarakwa na lingane na leti yangira libageri kurupole ya nene ase e familia Vincent uyo nyarete konyora mubasokano usaga itwa abamura usena basubati usena abantu babange baba muitete asarenge esabari yokwerigira e familia yae.
Right.
It's a mid-tier personality ubogete ku nyumba boye agatige familia yae abana bae mukae agachikulira abana bae. In the process of trying to feed his family akanyora amakweli amakweli ya it was not accidental. Abantu bakamuita ekarago ite kurwa segari bakacha ko mwaka magena nebibago bakagakwa.
Right.
Irali bageri ndebye family ipole sana abana bae, the wife and the entire community abo basi particularly umusani wale naro kuruko mochokoro kuliko bujumbe babo basi we am aware we know supporter ya yaring motebi naira pole sana aso gosiri one of your supporters inga we must find ways serikali yesoe a team the rising insecurity cases chigenda gusi ando mugusita nyako bayigo ndo mugusi ntu arenga abantu tusikaine mono tugwanjira umuntu natwara a different opinion a contrary opinion akwe uri bagaria yo kwana manganaye kagokora oikarasa naye kwe muke microphone yawo wakwana yawo akaraki oikarasa umugusi has always voted that is our ketripis onichikura asinge nchonto liberal twanchite gutegerera abotogo choro umurai kuru any party igote gatorira nase ebikora byo mugusi nabyanike kurukare tabwati segi.
Right.
Yeah.
ngwakwanira igoro ya youth employment. Whatever, for instance, whatever say 500 from your constituency. Boniga, you're an MP. Okay, Kitutu Masaba. How do you intend to incorporate Masaba so that when you're again to as you said, first thing no kuriyeria basaimeremo. How do you intend to go by incorporate ones?
Kitutu Masaba, they're blessed in some way.
Okay.
Tuwate bintu abasaba ko engage abakora. Tuchakire nyo no samba amatabori.
Okay.
That is what we do most in our villages. But turu kuri Kitutu Masaba nto bugaterira ba iwaka matabori.
Right.
Nukurigiriye nchera yo kunyara we empower abana bali babwaka matabori. Babe busier oba empower with the machines also buy capital yo chakira. Igere babe busy as engagement yo waka matabori. The process yo waka matabori ni tedious sana. Kamubanga matabori mubeke musambe muganya. It's a long process. Igo okuba empower either monetary either through kubalirichi machine chira modern banyara okole ebyasala ebyabo. Tucha samanga na employment. Kenya there's a lot of employment opportunities. And ingenche bintu bigendera ko endera gochimutuga iga it appears konyolega as Kenya wikonya romuntu okubwata okoboko. Wono ekaroro mujumbe that is the role you play.
Okay.
Koba an enabler okonyara kubwata omuntu okoboko. You look at the parastatals in Kenya irengachire uligiria magana bosigari bukori ku Kenya mbalenga bakuriku nabona na Ruto wa kwa recently nguchara kulika balimu about 24,000.
Yes.
What I said 24,000 you divide by 290 constituencies, then you get how many spaces are supposed to come to Kitutu Masaba. That is fair distribution of resources. It may look not logical, but that is the best thing to do. Kera sense kera boniga kera ase babwata abana batagete kuliko chigasi okonyoranga sanara barumba batatagere kuliko mabaka imenta Kitutu ya Masaba senga abana bange baroro bakorite school batagere kuliko chigasi icho.
Right.
So as a member of parliament you have a lot of opportunities. Ni okonyoranga abajumbe abange kuse leaders abange bayirali bageryo they don't use the Jibageri by Rubia. Simply kunyara wakoraki kuba proactive in terms of lobbying and negotiating for their people. Kumushara go so in demand bachire nande bagorira abantu babo gose na gasukari gose ne chumbi gose ne sabuni bakunya goserwa abande ba mechere nero, you know, those kind of things.
Yes.
Bakumanya ng'abantu abambia bali yonko balende ngenche na mune yigo bakana ngoro bacholi bonde ende bange bambe kobisi. But the real way of empowering your community nukura konya abantu banyore chigasi banyore a permanent livelihood.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana mheshimiwa nabega asante umwanchumo ligereri no mutegereri ekere tugende tegusanganire umheshimiwa kurugiga ase studio ilikuwa nekinga ngotwerera mange igoro yiganga yaye yokuriye kiruke bujumbe ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba kolere ina short while mwesh ntaite wetira a few comments echo chia ikirigiga ase nsemo ya Facebook as we continue na politics kurugabo ase bunge yago oya kurukunga Jaimol agotebanga from Risa. We love you sir, you are a student, you are enrolled to boarding now at Bomet University. Kudos. Okay, asante sana inimirememia kwa vete kogokora. Oya kurukunga Caleb Nyachai, your excellence, it's good to meet you here again. Your ambition to transform Kitutu Masaba sparks and attracts best men. We're ready to work with you, but try to reach the youth. Let's hold sort of discussion on how we can build and transform their lives. Right, in concern Cornelius Atuti agotebanga Honorable Ogura, kindly we are being given a bursary of 5,000. Just save us. Right, it deserves this seat, so much all the best for Tukonazo. All right, Ngoko has done all contracts in Kitutu Masaba through his proxies. Honorable Ogura, come your time, give us tenders. Poverty is carrying us. All right, sante sana. Oya akoro kunganere Jared Munari agotebanga 1 week ago at Riamoni Primary Playground. He gave us the scholarships plus shopping for our Form 4 students to enroll boarding. Right, asante sana. HNH compliment, a few compliments ingona kurigeriliga as in some ya Facebook. I can confirm today that the N is one time. All right. Koruagesima, we are in. All right, asante sana. Umujumbe tuganyete Kitutu Masaba. oyagotebanga yetori aspiring MP but instead you're an incoming MP in Kitutu Masaba. Asante sana. Echo negatia echi comment chirindo chechi aberi chigo chagegas Facebook nechi nyinge kolende ninchiko gendera guchietera chonsi as we continue ekero tugendete gusanga mange kurugalia ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba. Nara uko na iguru ya basari 5,000 bakonyora. How much do you intend to give them ekero goso ekero?
A bursary. A bursary, it is a preserve of a needy student. Mwana yomuna bakonyora nyamane shiringi 15. Mwana yondanya shiringi 3.
Yes.
It depends on the need. Egento takire gukora ko nasangiriri bagabuno mujumbe no ko make use of a committee elimbegete in place yokunyara kulira abana aba in terms of capacity and their backgrounds. Kiagera inchake goteba boni gase eri edonga ninyare gwakandira abana aba gose beke a flat rate ya 15,000 donko ba misleading.
Right.
A bursary tebu ati a flat rate. A bursary kebu ati a criteria oko deploy yokunyara kumanya ngo mwana oyo is a total orphan. Karongo mwa shiringi 3 jiriko mokonya. Omwana oyo ngo ashiringi 3 nabo chiko mokonya sengenjo nabo atese na ngina na karokende isa no mwalimu. Ama ngina no munyagitari.
Right.
Nabo chiko mokonya. Igo a bursary ongo beke create a policy. Yokunyara ku identify abana abwato kugani kwanga nitingaki. Amanya kumanya omwana ongo mwa shiringi 10 oyere ngo mubeka ase program yo kumwakande school fees yonsi paka shopping ase miakene ase ngino mwana mungaini utabwatise utabwatingina abana bukuba ukwana ngabona abana agenda lya muni school tona agenda the retirement of the teacher adrebo nkonya kurume agaso kunya nkonya abana babwato kutaka gali kanyora abana balenge abana bane ya abana bande bali boarding school abana abamba bwatinjira bakobe boarding school kan imagine ase school ringe abana bonse bali boarding lakini abana abeseke bane bakurukuruka ya bande babasoma botuko school agotumia estima abana yabali nyo bagotumia ebibeya
right
bamwa kera abana abangeresa mangana aya nenche nkamanyanga this is the same background arule lakini asawa ngonyera na ikirasa na ikiri abana barusi gabo nkabakande school fees anenka babeke boarding abera abenga etamu neyemo but I know etamu yeyemo abekonya abana abaikaranse batware comfort banyara gosoma they prepare for the exams
right
so umwana buno yo mungaini umutaka omenyeteka abande ko bari chibudi in a better governed system ase origerete abana obabekerete a proper criteria you identify needs cha abana aba eba bakone school fees yonsi
right
okonyora abana bande umibori yoye gamwirite December akamwira Mombasa holiday ase bara konya kugenda hotel wase White Sands Mombasa bakaragera sapa igere shiringi chiribu kero mwana kero shiringi isano umwana uta does not need a bursary
right
kibese chingo chiri direct asa abana bari batakire gokonyeka egere nyare go change the community ito dropping out of school has become very common in our villages ase ngira bako mwana bursary ya 3,000 teko mokonya after 1 week 2 weeks mwana uli otikire school kwanyira ngari kibese mwabege toro igo chiaya right yes omurigereri nara okuburira iswalinga mboreri mheshimiwa why does he think Kitutu Masaba ni one term for every member of parliament in the area aba Getutu ebare very aba tiante abenga mu Getutu no muntu mangaini sana
yes
na historically tunaba tumete okoroba chori ubia na inde tokunyara kumanyanga umurayo toireri bagiri atokorere gasi ibintu twamotebeti gusato tebeti agocha gotokorera niki
yes
year 1 bakumakiri a report card bamanyira umuntu oyo tarikunyara wikende ibintu birato tebeti
okay
mwako kabere they have made up their mind umuntu oyo twamoteri baga igato tebeti amangana lakini utungainire igo ono muntu kwegasi maketano onye ndiyaba Getutu babwate njira bakunyara kuri kolo mujumbo obo utanga abachumba abange bakorera kurumenya igamba rokora myake sana kiagara they know what they want they know what you told them and they know the expectations therefore use kuligera historically abachumba abankurumenya iga they seem not to have understood the people nanki baba tebeti aninki bako bakorera they seem not to have understood Yes, that is why tubugate culture ya one term.
Right. Jeremiah ubuga kari kubulinga igoro ya Uwezo Fund akubulinga ekirora ire kirego. Do you have any plan igoro ye kiganche kigusigoro ye chibesecho?
Recently nategerera omujumbe oregeti agoteba Uwezo Fund bwate 14 million chiri account emiake ya elite emiake no yokane gichibese cyo kwa rasi account ekero owancheta abantu bawo naende obwata maskania s'abantu abo utango kwabekire a program ekunyara ko make sure chibese chiriboneka chiaelire wasempo abana youth obeka abanyina obeka abagaka urigere ibyo bibiri gutuma sabyo simpire ngabire ubatebe chibese nchirega iga inchumo koreke mu apply
right
by chibese chimokorere biashara woneka roko nyoranga 14 million echire account bakabono iga. It means you do not care about your people because that money could have benefited many families. Igo nyasaye kera atwereri bagari oburai nande nimanyeta abantu bane bakutuma saba. They have promised me bakabareri baga.
Okay.
Bomo chumbe. Chibese chiri nchigo to account. Chigo to kase abananchi.
Right.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa, abaraia bange nagwata bachiri report card. Abaraia bange they have come to people bachira sabanto given promises ba kwanja mangana maya abana inchi babayigenire babayire mirimo but in return kwanyoranga baraia bambali wekera mirimo inkyo mogetutu omasabara kwegenera ko mirimo ekikira be so different kurwa sabaraia babande bakuru promises batari wekera.
Into my style of politics is very different.
Okay.
Into people centered. Jero muntu ngukwana n'abananchi. Abana siasa abange. Baganyerete tuike 2027 omutinyo gatano. Bache niki besa chinyinge. Bayimorasi constituency. Choru abajumbe. Nje nabere n'abananchi aba emyaka angene kurubo. Mutu akore tobachoriga. Nje na maite ngamwe jako bayengage basomire emyaka etatu kurubo emyaka ene bono bandigerereti ngotara na borobo ngukwana na borobo I'm not born to change lakini omuntu ndese gocha bone ngo magani 2027 achine chibese chinyinge basereiga bamwechukura ibago choro omuntu batamaite nyone character ibintu biryako batebi birya alikarikiriga atamanyitiye cyo kubikora.
Right.
But I am consistent abere n'abantu bane tumasaba and I am sure that the things I'm saying the things that I can do they will doable. Even to go kwana from nowhere. And you see also depends on your internal of finance. That is my area.
Right.
I'm a finance person. That is the field na so merite my undergraduate. You going to understand the policies chiranyara gukonya finance policies chiranyara gukonya mwana incho kitutu masaba anyara guchinju mabwaye.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa. 0702666669 nero inamba yetu isimu chakega studio na baigo 0711111177 nero inamba yetu yendi isimu chakega studio anyakole ne liboli ose okomentera na bogwaka isimu chakega studio ekero togendete kusanga no Mheshimiwa eyemo aseyemo kurugiga ase studio aye ototegerete ayo kurwa kitu tumasaba enekinga ankuno bateri boli chakega so Mheshimiwa anyakole ne liboli na bogwaka simi elio tusangenere simi ibere isato nyuma tutarairana aso Mheshimiwa tugendere n'ingambo yaito ya Getembe FM Getembe TV. Hello Getembe FM na Getembe TV. Right. Okorana esimiane igonta kiriko yerigereria kego kurende asegeka gitari gitambe nko yerigerinde elio mbwate chisimi chabo eliko nekinga ayo risikogalia ototegerete abo turigerete nko nekyulinga ngokwanule na intu eyemo aseyemo kurugiga ase studio. Mheshimiwa, abantu bakitutu masaba bakwegenje bakwemeramo ntubata bangina babura kabari ase binyorugweta na mostly ababura kabange abantu bagote banga bakunuriwe monekero anekera basacha banga basirire. Ese baswekero, what plan do you have ucheso munurigo muburaka ore sikogalia andako go strain nabo?
You know a program ekorane uno mujumbe gere governed what chief vote books chiko deal na mangana security what vote book na mangana masomo ndo bwagachi bebiras
yes
na yande ago deal na mangana echibasari inche buno mujumbe timbuati allocated funds at least for now kune sheria ire chikunyara gokonya abangi na baboraka lakini chikutigiri collaborations na umongina yokorukwe women rep
yes
nero bwate enough allocations chogodina ababoraka egere kurugabu musugume nenche murigeria another witoranyara go partner nere nyara gokonya abangi na lakini aso uwezo fund ebeseri uwezo fund no bona nyara kunyara kurigenchera yokunyara gokonya abangi na aboraka bate binchumu yebeseye nyara korubo nchereri nyara kugokinya magimaino namba ibere noko make sure abangi na ababoraka abana babo nimbaete nchera agosoma egere isn't the burden no boraka lakini as a member of parliament ebintu nebingo tanyare nebikesana nyara gokora egere okonye either ni kubakonyera abana na kubate binchumu yebese weso fund mokorero bonchereri mokorke mokonyeke as the family na mukinya abana bayo.
Right, 0702666669 nero enamba yetu yesimu guchagiga ase studio abego 0711111177 nero enamba yetu yendi yesimu guchagiga ase studio ayore neri boli kuruskugalia abo gwakira omweshimi wesimi elio onyare kobago kumuboliri boliriago ekero togendrete kugamba nengambo ya getembe sekero togendrete gusanga eyemo ase yemo kurugaiga ase studio ndo china banta bange bagendrete guswa anene gali sensemo ye mitandao eliko enekinga nkugamba bali naye eyemo aseyemo naragwatebanga mweshimiwa okay oyo koranga nigabwate personal message gocha sore of which nkoye delivered gocha sore. Okay, I would like to ask mweshimiwa, have you seen exactly the projects that have been done? Aya omanya gukoraga kuboliga, what is this that is so different that you will do? The same project kiri bwate is so different that you will do gocha se omonto o kitu tumasaba elio kwane kingango kwegenare nabo igakwa chikura oyo kuboliga kuruchinsemo chaga chuba.
I have said this.
Yes.
Like I have seen the project chakole. Project chakoro ne chicho ne biras. Bigenda takunyako nakorosibwa. Tiniko kana.
Right.
What I'm saying is there are better ways we can govern the constituency.
Right.
Egera abantu baitu banyara konyorogo konye kokonene the constituency chinde chakorekanire. Nabo kunyara kwagachira abantu cho. Tari wayo. Lakini okubagachira cho e laboratory teyo asa abana bakorera experiments egera abana abakoreke banyara kwenda guchimutu bayetenyo na matemo. Ige bintu ni binge na chikokora nje. Wetani kwagachira abantu baminto chochioka.
Right.
Yes. There's a lot of projects we can do. Sikuliri boga tutu ya masabonika tuanya kutwara mangana a program ya match. Muntu nabala tebenga match is a devolved function. Omwana inchi natakire gukonyeka. And the CDF board can approve for you or osiri abantu baga match banyara gukonyeka. Because nabore mukichibe so be kasi obisi omu chief. Mwagachira obisi ngiya. Asa omu chief akogenda okorere chobisi timekutano yae. Lakini in the same neighborhood banta ambabu ati mache bako na kilometer bachikuriya mache on in terms of priority nkiyotakira ko abantu abaho nuko bagachira bisi chief ngiya osino ko baletera mache ange egere bakonyeke abange na baita mama baito banyara ko gendare kuriya mache igo we must set our priorities right kirunya sato ile
right
kiruge.
Asante sana mwesh. Getembe FM na Getembe TV. Hello. Hello Getembe. Getembe TV, Getembe FM. Right, okurango yesimi yaye ya charukire. Getembe TV, Getembe FM. Hello Getembe. Right. Mheshimiwa, tukwa na rigoro ya infrastructure. Does it meaning ase bunge yago? Paranchira rosi kubantu bagweta.
Chiparanchiro chikunya korosirwa na kera. Chiche pare korosirwa. Kusiyo mwete na sembulele nyingi. Barage gotua na ndera na seyalenge. Nda abantu bachakolera.
Yes.
Yes.
Igo you confirm nga chipara charo sura kini chasalikire.
Omaitekera.
So what plan do you have about the infrastructure say a constituency yago elikwana kinga embulere ne chagotwa. Teriko chagosali pale chirende egera abana inchi baite banyoro bwetobya.
You know, chipara chiela mingorosi kuchirekerasi. Taribo. Lakini chiraroso kitutia masaba.
Okay.
Kitogo tebinga ki. National government ni wate budget enene sana. Yokorosi chipara chielami kere constituency. Ose Kenya agaiga. I do not understand na kiumoge tutu era tare konyora that opportunity arosari kuchipara chielami egere mburage gotwa tego sibie pare ya rosirigu ya kera ya maramu.
Okay.
Igo wika turigi chinchera. Wika turigi chinchera. Turigi the project ya national government. Nyara gotokonya na chipara chitu. Tutwara chipara chilami. Chipara chie maramu chia togo yiri. Kiagera every time and again it is repair after repair.
Right.
A good example isikulu riboni igo mujumbo kurukunga Jafet Nyakundi. Jafet Nyakundi has delivered chipara chelami boyari sana. Yakurusi chibese serikali ya Kenya. Kitutu masaba naba kichikura bakuru bango una abantu ba Jafet Nyakundi.
Right.
The question is nchara kintu unaba getutu tukunyara commission this development abandi banyora. Igo wika omurayi uregeti aligi mechanisms tiae aligi ubonga ine buaye aligi nchara ko negotiate ne government of the day bakatoretara maendeleo.
Right.
Kagukura kotoretara maendeleo ntonyore para yelame tonyora amache tonyore stima naboniga ndira nyarta baka bandi bakorera sana stima abatebange asebono igabari sobo nigesunte giuka. Most constituencies Kenya agaiga bantu bari korera stima.
Right.
Ani stima erete kare boni bagukwanira ibinte bingao tubona na kitutu masaba tugukwanira stima.
Okay.
Ndukata wota ukora mangana stima to chipara chilami to chamangana infrastructure unabona chiskuru chi polytechnics to chi university ndio to wikasi chi constituency ni chikire.
Right.
Yes.
Asante sana okunganchira mbate chisimi ibere echuma nchumu tegerwa suma nchumu ligilindo chogendete wa kesimi.
Hello.
Getembe FM, Getembe TV. Yes, karibu sana.
Dominic. Churu Penel.
Okay.
Tutu masa. Imura yuni kiata yako rukweli.
Akorokunga Clive Owora.
Clive Owora. Na le kubori.
Yes.
Otebe yaro sia match. Na le kubori muisimi wane babu no ro sori bintu byonse limo.
Okay.
So igoro sia kamo magaro sia kende.
Right.
Amba ya kabe. Tutu masaba nene te kuze ni constituency kende. Amba ya gatatu. Chirapa kiku. Chirapa.
Okay,
chirapa ichi akwagacho. Utabu ati cho mwana gochi andera bwara some. Na chirabe. Amba ya gatatu. Tutu masaba chipara chirenge chimbe uchibono chira mo yake. Hello.
Yes, ningo igwete.
Igo no muchumboro. Otemi na kiribu na mbiari.
Right. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio. Yes, karibu sana. Getembe? Yes, karibu sana.
Samari tanguru busaida kurusingereri.
Yes.
Omwezi wa bisairo kwarize bati. Ibe sabune ikije uwasa funding tanyore kabantu muna.
Right, yokora ya mubutukire. Getembe TV, Getembe Radio.
Rutu wairira buya.
Wairira buya baba.
Waikira bwendo. Asumuri Geoffrey yobota gotoka.
Karibu sana Mauricia.
Grifu ni muma ya mono.
Yes.
Na araro ribasa agotara. Isa koba ngana kisairo na isa kurworo.
Yes.
umuntu urate koba nkrifu kora eise koba lakini toisiba ekane kya mangana katoteba ni asingenje buna bono ekento korokina ikure na inda tebire nga angana wanto kuri alternative gamena serikali ya robon
yes
otebire ase chama ni ya Fredo Kingo Machanganya to support kurusi
yes
bono gisairo bono ika taja serikali ta kunyara kurusi binga serikali acha kotokorera
right
lakini ndi kintu korokina ari kwanja ari kotebanga enga kiyo robisi una bono gisairaro nata keire komanya nka kintu bikuru serikali ikana bugwe kei onore bintore dira bantu bawo
right
lakini ubu maana bwa mangana isiraro temi aso koteba ubu maana tuso koteba nga tutamu to kona koteba nga iwo sinna kintu kende mungwano yo temire gera kicho kiskuru bate otemire kipasiri ekyo because ncha kabere kumara kichallenge na bintu bindi lakini otemire lakini nginara kurwa mazi singa ese kobanga gisairo nkurwa robonga kitutu masabati wa mwiri kera talinje buganda amwe lakini ese ko babantu nkwamwe abali kero mungwano yo kano tali n'abantu bagitutu mazaba amatukama nginara ayitere nona matanga tokoba nara abaire nonye nase tokoba
right okoro ya mubutokire Getembe FM Getembe TV
Getembe
yes karibu sana
wewe jinsi majaga kwa badre choni kaisa nije tigla ntaweyo kuna opara ya manga mutumamu ya verge karagita ko amatuka mangi sana
manga mutema mwamu
ira kinembe kumutumbo rosi oyatemire sana for last 3 years ya erona iga kwari yu kirete sana jena na korra muda madisande yowono na niji cho cha bana kara karo cho cha bana abana bito no etaronso amede skuru ndindo dichongi abana toro twaga jire chicho chingia akiona igaso mutumba orobisi akitari atemira te gracias algo tutwa masaba
right Getembe TV Getembe Radio isimi yomwelyo kabisa waire karibu sana tena sana twakire baba igire nko igubuya network yago koranye tete gukwanga network ya mwangire very bad Getembe TV Getembe Radio right okoranga network nigo ekale kuba chanda kulende ningira nande asimura abancho batekereri nabo abancho barigeria elio ngendere kubwata kisimi cheno mweshimiwa speaking of laboratories muntu naro kwa negoro yechilab plan kyubwate goro yechilab chiskuru
you know school infrastructure
yes
nege ntotakire kubanga intege tanga nabe buli abayibuli ne committee school wakwe proposal nche nakambire nabari mu abange we school nakambire ne committee members yabange we school ekara bakulika chi proposals cyabo konyorore school ebwate cho lakini in the list of the proposals batebete ngato konya tonyore e laboratory konya tonyore ebirasi
right
bareterwe cho so abana inchi batakire ose school netakire kweguribaga yamanya guchora inki batakete at one given time
right
mwaka naro bulinga umuntu nanyara korose ibintu byonse at the same time the answer is no lakini we must set our priorities right tumanye ninge school yetagete inki tatageti kiyanyarira gukora
right
I know of a school ebwatecho kwa mentecho I know of a school etabugati obisi yanya gukora urukende yonse I know of a school etabugati echo nabone school niri tware gucangera school echo yabo yagwa
right
konya warange school eyo teiri nyonyene allocation yecho and nearby school ebwate all those facilities ya mentu echo we need to check our priorities tumanye school ketageteki nyatubake nariko bakorera ikona nyodi baga jumbe lakini there are so many ways of quality infrastructures mwako yokwana nga turwa choriro no mujumbe you must be clever in other words original or collaborate in the national government. National government has a lot of funding to schools. Original kunya collaborate in the national government kunya kukoraki koreta chibese other than CDF.
Right.
Nyare konya abantu pe constituency yao. Usikuongereria chibese chila allocated to the Ministry of Education away from salaries. It's about 15 billion. Ujumbe to what igatibo igari sits in the Committee of Education.
Okay.
Therefore, we can answer Committee Education. Kwa roro 3 years. Utanya kunyara ko suguma kende yonsigeta se constituency yao. Then something is wrong somewhere. Wika uruanirira abantu bago whether you are in opposition or not. Woni ga unatoria to support Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Aliboyo. Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i na bako be president.
Okay.
2027 kuchimutu oberu murai wense. Na ndonya kinkabwate eburaburu kyagara kiri muntu nawe ibwire ne buraburu. Ande muchaka kumubere buraburu takunyara wonkonyera abantu bane.
Okay.
Yagara ko be president yensengima. Ariko ba president yagusi. Na bakundana tutuma sabangu exist yarengi. Onya kimbwate buraburu kunya kumurama kunya ko wake kumukora checheri.
Right.
Ekarugwa choro murai. Umwako mutangani uyukabere uyugatatu uyukane utaraje kubanga siasa chiko chaka. Kararetera abantu bage bintu barakoraki. Bararagenderera. Chipara karabaretera. Amache karabaretera. Estima babekire. Chilaboratory chibaretera. School funding ye baretera. Abana barigire chigasi. Ego cyangiko mwako kane nusu. Ono chako konyora ngaki ngayi wewe kwenda guchi because personal interests. Chibati ubigita mutu kubuaba na inchi bako.
Right.
Because na wako nauranga kero mwako mutangani wevu wangu chia so monto ite ayakwa ranga for me to be re-elected again we can end as a affiliation yeye in the detriment kwa menya kuchanda abantu bako ase myaka enene nusu iwo ikomonto bunurai obo mongaini.
Right.
Uramanya ngai nkurabera na ara tap certain things asa abantu bane na bura tebe ngakero muntu nakere chikura chiae wika a president nera kolegasi but a president igari karokende okenya ngima abata amanye kitutu masabe panel ya motemo manga ngenyi ya beri gokwano miaka 25 years.
Okay.
Kero muchumba gwa twa makongani bagalyo borai kubikande lami ya musinya makongani bagalyo borai kubikande lami ya musinya we kori genchera ukora ni serikali yero matukumake ukunya gwako bongaini na siasa you must be clever and you must put your people bali bago chorete fast to beka your personal interests tangane mutu ugali abantu bagenderete kumia.
Right.
Kuna bobora yobia. Yes.
Ntubwato omuntu okurukunga oga korwo mugunchoro akuboliga. How prepared are you to minimize local brews? Amarua tanche iria sevinyoro chichange chibusa
litangani manyita abantu ba mitoga igabana abantu bange basomere tasi ababona to kwana ose bali to kuchkurwanirera abantu baito bali bono twakina kindirege tukinete tugasomera asokoni changa ai bali butonko ndi bali ngichanga but the difference between changiri yakoni kulirikane na bono ninge nchekorosiwa.
Right.
Tikaro kwa biro murai we go work close the national government, national security abagambi naba chief egero nyare go defend abantu bago babasa kuba ruined amangana chichanga namaru kusema dawa ya kulevya.
Right.
Tikinde to collaborate na administration abagambi aba chief aba sub chief nechi naba sigari kwa ensure ngaki that vice yokorosi amaru na gusalia community ya keire usiasira se community yokora. You have to collaborate and you see sometimes karuwa choliru abakunyara okora chi meeting naba administration na ewa set your tone ngaki erutie tokogenda abantu betu bakunya kunywa amaru bakunya gutinda bakunyara okora gas igesabkitungu sarika kire wabekarende input yawo bagamba na administration ngere bachoke amaru ayo.
Right.
Yes.
What are the major economic activities that are untapped from Kitutu Masaba and what do you intend to do about them?
Nakuwa niramangana yo samba tofori ikene kintu mona kendere Kitutu Masaba that we have to find a way of tapping into it nyaro konya egere to increase the way they manufacture akuyaros tunyare ko easy ni gasiri egere banyara okoraki banyara ko rosia mange banyara ko improve their life
right
usikira mangane echae uso sana the economic activity okuwarwanirira omuraye karwa choriru you don't select ibintu okurwanirira narwanirira ibinati gebi abanenchi nabago bonsi bago chorete they look up to you. You are the most senior most as a constituency yuno mujumbe igobona mangane echae nabokurwanirira ndibona nakineiga enama etekere bona sikuriwa abana baite barakogoka ani twakagokire sana twagoruri none bikoroto but that benefit is no longer there
right
echai yasarikire coffee yasarikire wikurwanirira abantu because those are the main economic activities oranyara gukonya usoranyara kurwanirira nyara guchinja ubugimo bw'abantu bakitutumasaba
right
yes.
Have you empowered any group so far abantu mbara kwabere gokuimuki gusiko bo empower ekerogendrete niganga yawo
inche nabeire ngosira abantu sana nimbwate program yo konya abana bakonde school
right
naye kwanira nakonyera abana bange natukukwanika nimbwata abana over 70 ngukwa kanire school fees full scholarship in various schools and it is something that is in public knowledge bantu bane mbamanyete abantu bakatumasamba manyete abayibuli mbale nkonya tabana abo mbamanyete kabere nimbwate a medical program
right
kurwalinda bagaka gwitani 500 nabangina kiro mutienyi bagocha boya mariogo are free I have partnered with a hospital era aligesure every month abagaka nabangina bakogenda banyora mariogo for free egere banyara kokoraki kogendera komenya other than that nimbwate chikurupu chinyinge ngo support asamangana each welfare egere banyara okoraki banyara gukora table banking banyara okora ubunchiriri bwabo those are select groups chirikira sector tumasaba chibwate enchera bakunya go change chibesi cyabo bakunya gukora economic activities bari bakura chi tent bari bakura chi PA system out babwate binte binge and I think I've done activities and support as a chigurubu necho nechi nyinge tubangete okora gaiga na inde kuturanyora bagabuna twabeire kirwe kyo bujumbe because tobwateri bagali nene ekibese chikarororo we will assist many of those programs kiagara that is the only way we can improve oburai we constituency
right asante sana getembe mbia hase mirimo yene miyamo gukora nyasaye abaseni mbia mono sana asengenche compliment you. I'm Davis Ogendi kutoka Mochenu wa Gesima. Honorable Obura is a good-hearted man sent by God to serve Kitutu Masaba. Right, asante sana eyo ne compliment kurua asomanchu murigiriria olesko galia itembe mbia mono sana ngwanilie omoeshimiwa na bwego motebie. Right, motebie mbia mono asemereme miyagendete gukora. Kuna watu walijengea nyumba mbia mono sana na okay ine compliment isi kwa bete gukwaga chinyumba abantu abo barasoime kurende ebine bintu bire in the process. Mheshimiwa Jubilee gose mwananchi ngayobereta uselinda mwananchi ngayobereta
Jubilee party na linda wananchi
linda mwananchi ne faction ya ODM
it's a linda wananchi sekuliri abantu abange bali gali n'abantu balenge ODM bakaruororo karubata agreement with the program chialengororo
yes
and more especially broad based arrangements baka form their faction ekolo kulinda wananchi ichenda se chama ku Jubilee
okay
Jubilee party is not linda wananchi
true
I work with Dr. Fred Kengo Matiang'i. I do not work with Sifuna. Bintu mbire nakwanega igakarokenda abantu abange bobuete gukwana. In the united opposition, we also have competing interests. Kure guli ba okwana nga tebo muntu gochukoba a flag bearer as a united opposition. Nari boyo. Inche I'm supporting Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Okay.
I want him to be the flag bearer of the united opposition. What business do I have with Linda Wananchi?
You tell me.
I have no business with it. Yes. I am putting my energy, my support, my mind, my influence. Engo sukuma umuraione Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Right.
Egerabe the flag bearer of the united opposition.
Right.
Inki biashara kimbo atengo enda go support Linda Wananchi, go support Sifuna kera gocha gocha se negotiating table. Ya gocha gocha Sifuna n'abantu bae. Aribo yuko. Yetindi kobero. Ngocha gocha Matiang'i n'abantu bae nitino ngocha kobera. Egera tunyara ko negotiate paka toikere Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i obere flag bearer.
Right. Right.
Ego intetindi kwa n'abantu bae. Tindi ko koragasi na Linda Wananchi. I am working with Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. And if Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i has certain agreements na Linda Wananchi, which I am not aware of,
right.
Lakini as it is, at least for the information that I have, is that these are two competing affiliations, lakini chire as a united opposition.
Right.
Na indi, it's possible, na bora anyore, Sifuna agocha koba agochukoturwaje kira tuchukwana ngaketo gete Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i president. Bona tinganyara ko mwachingu.
Right. Asante sana. Mheshimiwa ntubwata bana boda boda. We have boda boda riders. Is there a way kwa ba empower boniga ekirogenda tukuliki ekirogiki?
I work closely na boda boda. Recently na igoro ofisi Alitombe ya Manga sub county. Aseba konyara gukora chi meetings kiapo that office njena bangira nkaba support nkabali bakari office ngabakanira bagatwara office yabo ya Manga sub county.
Right.
Masaba north babu at office and then ngende to kora certain programs na borobu cyo kunya ko empower indegere banyare ko genderera.
Right.
Boda boda sector ni sector abantu abange batumire ku achieve their political aspirations. Lakini bagutumye kwa mono towards the tail end. Lakini ngenda to kolega na borubono iga. And then ngenda to support.
Right.
Yebon.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Toisto kata baboniga kwa Soirobis. What will be your first thing you will tackle in your constituency?
First thing first, I will sort the mess in the bursary.
Okay.
First thing first. I will sort out the mess. There are say bursary allocations.
Right.
Namba ya kabere, I will set our priorities in a constituency right. Onye skuru ya gosabe cho, onye ya gosabe class, yawe class.
Right.
Ya gosabe laboratory, yawe laboratory. I would not dictate skuru ya konyora.
Right.
I would not do projects karokende bakortaki babuate. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Asante sana mheshimiwa ndochinga ebiro betu niko bigendrete gutumunyokia kigima asenge nchunga amangana maya useni usieke chini sanye kire standby manya tinga inkikiri ogotebyo moge tutulisiko gali bona nakore platform sabo moge tutwekura
itangani kabisa nogoti abantu bamintu akitutu masaba ngambia mono abere mu buzira.
Yes.
Abere ngokolega asya mona inu akunchukana na se constituency. Abere muko ngari dynasty functions chino. Abere muko ko ngoro kyo bwanchanya obonene sana. Mwako tgartano yomo togenda obochori. Nkuba sabanga tuwekali tukeliri obochori. Inyore ugura. Asikiru kyo bochumbe bakitutu masaba. Other than that, bakitutu ba minto batebi nga ntu oba agenda tobwate buno mugusi no go support Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Ne president itu ya Kenya. Ase Kenya bono ya ikire igeta gitumburayi obere tested. What a track record. Ora kolire gaskuru maega and twensi ntoma yetinga asandons umuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i iruri baga kolegasi gako ya kolegasi.
Right.
Na koleta se ICT. Mwaroje gasi akolete. Na koleta se Ministry of Interior umaite gasi akolete. Bono this is an opportunity for Kenya to get things right, to get it fixed.
Right.
And the only person who can fix that umuske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Right.
Bali mwategarate muisonde muiwete JB Muturi. Muske JB Muturi. teba kagumachi gotebanga onye tariere igakwa ibagochora Kalonzo Musyoka because he's the most experienced. I want to tell you, the president of Kenya togoda tubwate bono iga na baring experienced. But running a government requires a dedicated, proper attitude, no monto okonyara kobeka the interest of Kenyans at heart. Okonyara korai nsebia. That is not about experience. It's about the attitude mabokareri egasubia. No monto sigeta chibese chaba Kenya. That monto korale bese aba Kenya obugane yaye ucha kubangira amahitaji yaye ere ne family yaye nabasani baye.
Right.
Ikolende asa kurudia mangana yonsi ipi omuntu qualify konyora libagelio ubwate capacity ubwate knowledge ubwate the experience yobokoreri. It's none other than Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Asante sana. A potential progress for Kitutu Masaba for the next year. And coming MP, Oyakurugunga Dennis Ariemba. Asante sana. With this young man, dreams of Kitutu Masaba youth will become valid and alive. Asante sana. Oyakurugunga Prince Kareb. Joshua Tambo, Honorable Wora, we like you and we've gained momentum on the ground. Asante sana. Aicho negatie chi jujumbe chirina beri nkoragalia sensemo ya Facebook. Oyagotabanga Kitutu Masaba next year. Mheshimiwa tunakusupport. Alright, asante sana. From Embara, we support you candidate. Oyakurukunga Eric Onderi. Khalid Ombaro agotebanga they support you. Asante sana. Asega singi yogendete gukora Kitutu Masaba. The trend has always been Clive Ogura tuko nyuma yako mbele ni kuzuri. Oyakurukunga Brian Mocha tingwetera chonsi asenge nchonga ebiro nigo byabere bikomnyo kigima kolende mheshimiwa. Thank you so much for finding time watch Getembe FM na Getembe TV asenge nchogo kwa naitwe kolende nande ntokurangeri elitogendere gusanga mange anene kurugalia sechinsemo chiri cha siasa. Otherwise, thank you so much asenge nchokwa nyoriribaga na gochana gusanga na Getembe FM na boigo Getembe TV na nchokuru sensemo yane ningonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto tomerane aseke unga chinsainye elionkumanya senchira yoboikirano ayagendere gukorekana na bari mwesi mwabere mu gusangana ntukurugalia sengambo ya Getembe etimu ingima kurugalia stikamera Eugene Matogo na boigo Wilfred Matundura DJ Atsan kone kirugine chibicha bya gwikire. Tunashukuru sana enda gutwara oboligere burubuya na bagenda gutwara obotegere burubuya ime ya Getembe FM na ncheni ngonkuru kwa Ruth Kemunto.